Alright, my Joan of Arc peeps. Just wanted to share with you how I finally put together and organized this game system. I've been working on it for 6-7 weeks, give or take. So I painted everything, based everything, and got it put away in a fashion where you can actually pull it out and play it. So this, of course, is the standard deluxe storage box. Nothing interesting to see here. I've got it organized the way everybody else does. No big deal. I have extra map tiles that I put in there at the bottom, and I had extra dice so I could make up 2 full trays of the player trays. So I guess that's the only thing worth talking about there. I bought a second deluxe storage box, removed all the game trays from it, card boxes and everything, sold those off to a guy for 30 bucks because I only needed this giant storage box for these bins. These bins house all of the 15mm miniatures and 6 trees. I hope I don't really need more than 6 trees for any of these scenarios, but I do have a crap load more trees in another box. So anyhow, I have all the guys. There's 11 of these quote-unquote jewelry storage boxes, each one full of guys, all been painted and based. You might be wondering, where are the bigger guys? The bigger guys I have hanging on the wall in a beautiful cabinet. So they're all on display. Now this might be cheating a little bit, using a wall display for these guys, but I'll tell you, it makes it easy to pull them out and throw them on the table. You know who you need. They're all in there, all the bigger guys. I might change this once I get the other box. And then my big dragon is living on a shelf up here with Son Goku, because I thought that was appropriate. So anyhow, that's my second deluxe storage box. And then the siege box being the next biggest box, I was able to construct some foam core organizers for everything. Hopefully I can pick this up with one hand. So underneath this top layer, you have all of these pieces. These have all been painted, of course, as you can see. Castle walls, barricades, houses, hotels, Monopoly money. It's all in there. Okay. So that, of course, fits right on top. There you go. Lastly, the oversized game tiles. I constructed another foam core box for those. Hold them all at an angle. That little piece, I don't know, whatever. So with this though, you can flip through them, and I have all the tile numbers on top, so you can see what you need, grab it out, throw it on the table, and go. Okay, I do have extra stuff, hopefully I won't have to dig into here. Those are 2 core boxes. I have this box full of trees, extra trees. Those little tents that came with the village expansion. That box has some other extra stuff in it. But like I said, I've got a bunch of extra components because I own 2 core boxes and 2 reliquary boxes. So, but hopefully this system of organizing with these boxes marked, hopefully this system of organizing will make it easy to set up and put away. Hope my work helps somebody else, gives somebody else ideas, inspires you guys, whatever. Have fun with it, and I hope I like the game. I've put a lot of time into this painting and organizing. I have not yet played the game, so I really hope I like this game. Additionally, for what it's worth, these are all empty boxes, which I don't know what I'm going to do with yet. Probably just throw them away, recycle them, whatever. I might save the dragon box for extra odds and ends, I don't know, but those are all empty. Okay, hope that helps you guys enjoy. This is a shot of my game room in my basement for what it's worth. All right, enjoy, you guys.